Good evening, everybody. I'm Robert, the Daily Trader. It is October 26th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla closed up $2.19, 0.98%, closed at 224.60. Post market, we seem to be down a little bit. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. We had the green candle for the last 4 days, but now we are seeing a little bit of exhaustion just right here. And we see we have a longer wick at the top. The stock trying to go up, but then was squished back down. Not too far away. It's still a green candle. So we closed higher than we opened. But we see a little bit of exhaustion. And that exhaustion here is at 226.52. 226.52. So we have a little bit of resistance right here. And coincidentally or not, we have the same exhaustion right here. So it seems like we are really coming into this congestion zone because of this here. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So first hour of the day, nice move up, big green candle, and this allowed us to break 226.52, and then we could not hold and stay before above it. We came back down, and look at how we are following this now support. That was a resistance before, so we are following it right here pretty good. So we are bouncing on that support. So this is a behavior that's completely valid after having crossed the resistance. Oftentimes, but not always, oftentimes we are coming back down and just consolidating a little bit on the support and before launching a little bit longer. So maybe this is what is going to happen. We have another resistance not too far away from here. So basically we are stuck between the support and resistance right here. So yeah, as I mentioned, I think yesterday, we have a lot of things that Tesla need to go through in order to move a little bit higher. Stochastic on the 1 hour chart is still decent. It is a little bit lower. So see, it's interesting to see that stochastic was at 97 right here, but now that we are a little bit above, stochastic is a little bit lower. So there's a little bit of divergence that we have here, because here we see a top. We see a top with the two lines at the same level, but here we have something like this. And usually when there's a divergence, it's the indicator that wins. It's the indicator that wins. But for the RSI, so RSI is good at spotting those divergence. It's very good at spotting this. It's not spotting it right now. So see, we have RSI at 67 during the day. And when we were right here at 11:30 yesterday, it was at 63. So 66, 63. RSI is still seeing a higher strength in this move today. And I have to say that everything is great in terms of indicators on the 1 hour chart. So let's go back to the daily chart. So on the daily chart, so 226.52 right here. And the stochastic is still at 28. So still not a good stochastic. So this move yet is not to be believed. It might just be a little bit of a fluke. So this is what stochastic is telling us for now. It would require Tesla to go a little bit higher for stochastic to change its mind. And everything else in terms of the indicators on the daily chart, there is not much indication of a bull trend yet. Let's just consider it the congestion zone until proven otherwise. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.